Now we are going to Gopeng. Kelly gave me a surprise birthday gift for a short getaway to the nature. The road towards this resort is very narrow, so gotta drive slow and steady. Look at the steep slope on the side, indeed very scary. This river is where some of the water rafting starting point. We used to start from here last year. Beware of cow. More wild animals you need to be aware of, and you cannot kill them. Private property.
Finally, Rajah, Sementra. Visitor charge 20 ringgit.
Per person ah?
Okay, not bad. Sorry.
Sementra Hot Spring Nature Resort is a very highly recommended nature resort for family retreat to relax.
Here is some of the activity of the resort and their pricing. They have arcade, pool table, bicycle, cyclings, and even some board games. So here they have a few types. Pupa is a semi chalet. Mecca is a double-story bungalows, which is this. Ours is actually opposite. They have an upper and a lower floor. So this is the map over here. Okay, we are right here now. So later you have to go through these two ponds, which is this and there's another one here. Okay, so this is where we stay, and here is the hot spring. Okay, and here will be the Rajah Brooke butterfly, the sighting spot. So they are actually open. So they'll be there during the sunny day. So there will be a swimming pool up here. Okay. So this is the hiking track. And number 6. Oh, okay. This is where the fish feeding pond. Actually, they can catch the fish, but catch and release only. And here will be the Sawit plantation collection pit. Interesting. And that's our lady boss. This one is swimming pool. Hot spring the other side. Coming here to swim. So that's where we come from just now. So here they have the overflow systems. They're straight to the stream. This should be the retention pond. So these are all from natural, from the stream, from the mountain. So actually they flow all the way to the retention pond. So you can see the ingredient that we use food. Sotong, got shrimp. See here also, very nice. Because here they're planting the kelapa sawit as a trees here. That's why you'll get all the seeds all over the floor. Here I off the background sound because they are cutting grasses surrounding, so it's very noisy. But anyway, this is the hot spring and it's a really hot spring. So it's very nice pool. Now let me show you the real deal of this nature resort. You should put more, yeah. You'll see them crazy. Throw further a bit lah, too near. Thank you, Kelly, for this birthday treat. Love it. You know I love nature. Sayonara.